want to thank you all for sticking out tonight. I know it's a late night. From New York City, we're Agnostic Front. It's called Victim in Pain. Thank you. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff with our first album came out in 1982. This single came out in 81, it's called United Blood. This song's called United Blood. Let's go! Get the fuck away from me! It's called unity. You and I, TY, united together, fighting on the outside world, not with each other. You're the one who supports our sin. Why don't you get the fuck away from me? You so fuck. the original. We're gonna do something new, but I don't want to do something new right now. This is also off our Victim in Pain record. Because there's no justice, just us. It's called Blind Justice. Let's go for the day. Everybody, let's go. There's no justice. Blind justice. There's no justice. It's just us. We need justice for all of us. Alright, we're gonna do a new song. It's brand new, we never played it before. For you guys, it's gonna be our new record. Probably Victory Records, we don't know yet. The song's called Right Before My Eyes. That's how I want to do a new song. I want to thank all the bands I played in Damn, Christ is Saying, Hey Breed, 25 Live, All Out War, Decide. What a fucking ending that was. Whew. Just 1 second. Anyway, I don't know if you guys feel like going to Providence tomorrow. We're doing a big Super Bowl hardcore in Providence. Along with 25 Live, Madball, which is my little brother's band. Let's hear it for Madball. Where the fuck is my little brother at tonight? Anyway, this goes out to Freddie. It's called The Eliminator. This is off our Liberty and Justice record. Do you know what we're gonna do? It's called Over the Edge. All right, let's go, let's go. Wait for the fucking edge. Escape in my soul. Because the one is fucking dry. The second buzz of my mood was filled. And I was been damaged to miss my mind. I should have listened. You know, you go full. The fool is on. To be left by the stomach. Pick it up and go. Just too late. He's learned to trust no one. You must keep those closest friends. But his face, their promises, left betrayed in the end. I should have listened to those who don't know. The fools are between them by the stomach without a soul. You play, you fought, you pay. We are that belt you gave. My face was off to pay. But you were a friend that was too late. So how y'all doing? This is our 4th show in a long time. Actually, me and Vinny have been together for a while. A lot of people who left the band a long time, so did Jimmy. This is the original lineup of Agnostic Front. I'm gonna have my friend Rick sing this one. This is called Last Warning. Feel about those stuff. What's up, niggas? Let's see some niggas sing along, yo. That's the animal. We're not trying to jump. We're right. Go on with the jump. Go with the back. Find it, go back. Go back. You can't take the jump. The jump. The thing you go back. Go to bed. It's so nice. Go to bed. Go to back. We're not taking out. Go with the jump. Find it, you can't. You can't take the jump. The jump. The thing you go back. Go to bed. Go to bed. To keep it alive, I want you to break. These next two are also from Victim of Pain. Oh, what the fuck is this? Hiding Inside. I tell you Nazi motherfuckers out there, fuck Nazism. Push that one down. Live to and back. It's gonna sound fast. But it's like a crap. Let's go. What do you think? She's sweating. It's me. Put it down. No more danger. Stop now. Let me see this. Never spent your wrist of us. So I swore back to my man. You're not to reserve. Fuck up, sis. That's right. You need to leave. She's sweating. You need me. Put it back up. No more danger. Stop now. Or live to live. Why should you go on? That's what you're now. If you look at it, what is going on? It will stop, it will stop, it won't cross. But it's for you, let it get crossed. That's what we're annoying, and that's what we're scout. And with me, and we'll see, then burn it down. All right, Robbie. We're gonna slow things down a little bit. Can I get some echo, please? Echo and reverb. Echo and reverb, please. Check, check. 1, 2, 2, 2. Echo, reverb, please. And the main vocals. Check. And we got t-shirts for sale. Like I said, we took a long break and we're back together doing some shows. Classic old New York style hardcore. Check 1, 2. Once again, all the bands I played tonight were fucking great. I want to thank them all. I want to thank you all. One, look for our tour in the summer. We're going out with the Misfits. And Rancid. This is from my old boxing days when I used to box. It's called With Time. right. Okay. These are a couple real ones from a single called United Blood back in 1981. They're quick, but fuck it, we like it, you know what I'm saying? Let them tune up a minute. It goes out to all old school people out there, and new school. The only difference is years, man. It's all been in the heart from the beginning to now. That's the only difference is time. Man, about 50 pounds. Ever since I broke my back a year ago at Madball Show. But fuck it, I'm still doing it as long as I can walk. This is called Crucial Changes. It's your fault, you motherfuckers! Let's go! I left my leg in the bed! With a job, I've got to survive! Shoot at me! I'll get you out! Everything, you're my son! Bring my life, get back to me! And with much respect to DMS out there, New York City DMS, this is called Crucified. Is that all box is good? Latinos out there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, let's go! Thank you, good night. All right, we'll do one more. All right, these are two songs from our notorious punk rock record. Yeah, I bet you couldn't tell we were a punk rock band before, huh? Yo, back then in 1982, that's all there was. Hardcore was just being born alive. And we crossed over that. We went from our punk rock roots through hardcore. And then the rest of it is just a fucking mistake till today. Goes out to everybody out there who truly believes in unity. It's called United and Strong. Back then it was for all the punks and skids. Black and white, united strong, punks and skids, united strong for everyone. United and strong. Thank you, good night.